So let us save with the extension .html. That is the mistake which we have done. And I use a tag, I think. Tag laga పెట్టాం కదా, అందుకని that is a problem which we overcome just now. So let us close and save as .html. And the other mistake which we have done is use pair of flower braces. I kept angular bracket here. That is the problem. It did not work. Now it worked. And we changed the font families also. They are working fine. Just now we checked it, right? So again, we will check. Wait. So this is the Homa style. You can also go with what is that? We tried with the other one, Times New Roman, Times of India. Type just mistake was there. I did not remember properly. Yeah, right. It's working. So you can take Arial. It also works. Just now we checked. Again, I'm doing that. Arial. Spelling top correct, na? A-R-I-A. In the correct age. Right. It's correct. Arial. Let us check. Yeah, it's working. All the styles are working fine. So the only difference is I saved with the .html again, because HTML is the basic code involved here. So let me go with right. It's working. You can change colors also. They are applicable. Right. So it worked fine. So let me go with the next one. Next, we will go with some theory comments. Meta, what I do is due to lack of time, I am unable to check the applications straight away. I'm dealing. That's why we are getting mistakes here and there. Okay, now let me go with some theory, little more theory, and we have to copy the same thing here also, whichever we have done in the program. Copy, because some mistakes correct here, right? Right, this is correct. Now, so let us deal with comments. Little time is there. We can complete comments at least. Here also comments are there in your CSS. So let me add few points on comments. Comments are non-executable, ignored statements, is it not? So let me add comments are non-executable. Otherwise, we can use the word ignored statements. And then the next point is comments give readability. Comments give readability of the application. Okay? The application. Right. Third point is just like same and same as used in C language. Then C language. We can close it. Minimum knowledge on comments. That is enough. Example, let me give one example here. Example anekana syntax etla untadani. Syntax is examples you can write. Syntax. The syntax will be multi-line comments. Like this you write. Dash, dash, dash. Yeah, you can close. That's it. That is comments. And now we have to focus on selector again. Selector focus chesam mundala. We never, I think. Oh, just we started and left na. So we will deal with selector. What is a selector? Selector. So it's a chain of one or more sample selectors. Okay. A selector is a chain of one or more sample selectors separated by some combinations, like a character, like special characters which are available. Okay. It's a mandatory topic actually. Let us write this. Selector is a chain of one or more sample selectors. One or more sample selectors separated separated by combinators. Okay. Special characters available. Special characters, that's right. Special characters available. Right. So selector is a mandatory topic. Selector is a mandatory topic. Must learn. You cannot ignore this if you are working on that. And now let us see types of selectors. So many types are there. So we go till the end of CSS. We learn so many types of selectors. Selectors, types of selectors. We will see today. Number one, tag. First, we learn about tag selectors. Selectors applicable on tags. Second one, type selectors are also there. Type selectors. And then third one, ID selectors. We will deal with all these things. Selectors. Focus to that. A lot of syllabus is there in this actually. Class selectors are also there. Class selectors. And then fifth one is grouping selectors are there. Grouping selectors. And then sixth one, universal selectors are there. Universal ఒక్కొక్క స్టైల్ ఒక్కొక్క చాలా ఉంటుంది నేర్చుకునేందుకు. బేసిక్స్ నేర్చుకుని దాటేసేయచ్చు. మిగతా మీరు అల్లుకోవచ్చు. Just we wander with basics, but basics itself is a huge amount of stories there. Descendant selectors అని ఇంకోటి ఉంది. Descendant spelling this. Descendant selectors. Okay. And then customized అంటే మన ఓన్ సెలెక్టర్స్ మనం కూడా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. కస్టమైజ్డ్ లాస్ట్ లో నేర్చుకునేది కస్టమైజ్డ్ సెలెక్టర్స్. ఓకే. సో ఇవన్నీ చేయాలి మనం. ఓకేనా. సో కాకపోతే ఈ సెలెక్టర్స్ హెడ్ లో ఉండకూడదు. దట్ పాయింట్ ఆల్సో యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఎర్లియర్ వి మేక్ దట్ మెన్షన్. we can give any name. To a selector. But it should not be in head section. Head section లో ఉండకూడదు. Okay. Right. That is about that. Next point. Shall we close for this for today? We will let me check some applications which we will discuss on tomorrow. Tomorrow we will go with more more styles. With this, I am closing for today. I have to share tomorrow also. I am having college actually. Punishment lang on the college.